I'm going to review the Hisense 75 QD7N 75-inch QD7 Series QLED 4K UHD TV. At any point during this video, if you'd like to check out this TV for yourself and get it at a great price, make sure to check out the links below this video. Today, we're diving into the Hisense 75-inch Class QD7 Series QLED 4K UHD Google Smart TV, a stunning piece of tech that promises to elevate your viewing experience to new heights. Whether you're a gamer, a movie buff, or just someone who loves top-notch tech, this TV might just be your new favorite gadget. Let's explore why this model could be the perfect addition to your home entertainment setup. 1. Breathtaking QLED quantum dot color. First up, let's talk about the display technology. The Hisense QD7 series boasts QLED quantum dot color technology. This means you're not just watching TV, you're experiencing color like never before. Imagine every scene bursting with over 1 billion individual shades. From the turquoise of the Caribbean Sea to the warm hues of a desert sunset, every image pops with vibrant detail. This TV takes color reproduction to a whole new level, ensuring that every show, movie, or game looks absolutely stunning. Crystal clear 4K AI Upscaler. Even if you're watching older content, the Hisense QD7 series has got you covered with its 4K AI Upscaler. This feature transforms classic shows, home movies, and even streaming content into crisp 4K quality. It's like giving your favorite films and shows a fresh new look, with every pixel working overtime to deliver exceptional clarity. 3. Ultimate gaming experience with 144Hz Game Mode Pro. Gamers rejoice. The 144Hz Game Mode Pro is designed specifically for you. With a variable refresh rate ranging from 48Hz to 144Hz, plus AMD FreeSync Premium Pro, this TV ensures that screen tearing and input lag are virtually eliminated. The auto low latency mode and low latency MEMC features make every move and every frame smooth, putting you in a prime position to dominate the game. Others 4. Immersive Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. For those who love immersive experiences, the Hisense QD7 series doesn't disappoint. Dolby Vision HDR enhances your viewing with incredible detail and vibrant colors, making every scene more lifelike. Meanwhile, Dolby Atmos creates multidimensional sound that pulls you right into the action, whether you're exploring a jungle or navigating through outer space. 5. Smart features and voice control. Navigating through your favorite content has never been easier thanks to the voice remote. Simply speak to control your TV, switch channels, adjust the volume, or search for new shows with ease. Plus, with built-in Google Smart TV, you have access to a world of apps and streaming services at your fingertips. Now, while the Hisense QD7 series offers incredible features, it's worth noting that its size and weight might be a consideration. At 75 inches and 76.7 pounds, this TV requires a solid wall mount or a sturdy stand. Make sure you have the space and support to fully enjoy this massive screen. In summary, the Hisense 75-inch Class QD7 Series QLED 4K UHD Google Smart TV is a powerhouse of technology and performance. With its vibrant QLED color, advanced 4K upscaling, game-enhancing features, and immersive audio-visual experience, it's designed to transform your home entertainment. If you have the space for it, this TV could be a game changer for your viewing and gaming adventures. If you'd like to check out this TV for yourself and get it at a great price, make sure to check out the links below this video. Thanks for tuning in to today's latest review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Remember to check out the links below for some fantastic deals on the product we discussed today. Your support means a lot to us, and it helps us keep bringing you the best and up-to-date reviews.